Welcome to the Bloom Schools. What do you plan to do this Sunday? I am planning to go to beach this Sunday. Where is your house? My house is very near the bakery. Do you have any idea? Oh, sorry, I have no idea. What's your plan? I plan to go to the theater. Is everything going fine? Yes, almost everything is fine. What do you like to have for lunch today? I like to have fried chicken and some soup. Do you want to stay in the house today? Yes, I want to take complete rest today. Where are you going this weekend? I am thinking of going to my grandma's. How many pages are there more to read? Very few are left, maybe around 10 pages. Do you have any pet animal? Yes, I have a dog. I call him Tommy. What are you doing next week? I have no plan for next week. Are you going tonight? No, I haven't decided yet. What kind of books do you read? I like to read about sports, food, and travel the most. Have you finished the assignment? No, I haven't finished yet. Do you like to read this book? Yes, I am eagerly waiting to read this book. When can you finish this project? I suppose I can finish this project by next year. Is it easy to make a decision? No, it's really hard to make a decision. Do you think it will rain today? I am sure it's going to rain today. Do you mind waiting for the doctor? No, I don't mind. I can wait. Where is your car? My car is in the garage. Have you checked the weather? Oh, not yet. I will check before I leave. What have you decided about your house? I have decided not to sell my house. Do you like to meet my friend? Yes, of course. When can I meet? Do you need some water? Yes, I like to have a glass of warm water, please. Thank you for watching.